Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be decorating a fall cake, and the inspiration for this cake came from a fall sweater using brown colors, light brown and white. I'm going to be using a cinnamon pecan cake. The recipe you can find it on the description box below. And for the frosting I am using American buttercream. Also you can find the recipe in the description box below. So what I do is I fill my cake and stack it. I try to make all my tiers to be center, and I'm gonna start carving my cake. The reason why I carve it is because I wanna start with the same size for all the tiers. This is gonna help me when I ice the cake. Remove all the excess and all the crumbs. Make sure you clean it around. So now that my cake is clean and the board is clean, I'm gonna start applying the buttercream. This American buttercream is fantastic because, as you can see, I can apply it. I didn't really need a crumb coat. It was perfect just to cover the whole cake on the first round. With the help of my scraper, I am removing and smoothing the sides of the cake, and the excess buttercream is gonna be pushed up, which at the same time I'm gonna be removing that excess with the smaller scraper. And once again I'm gonna go around to the sides of the cake with a big scraper so I can make it completely smooth. As you can see, my cake has a little hole because there was air trapped. So all I have to do is remove some of the buttercream around it to remove the air, fill it up again with the buttercream and smooth it with a smoother. I chill my cake for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna cut the excess of buttercream on the top. Make it smooth. If you have any holes, just cover them again with some of the buttercream and smooth the cake again. To make the stripes, I'm gonna use a cake comb, and I'm gonna be making the indentations now that the buttercream is a little bit hard, and I'm gonna pass the comb around a couple of times. This technique takes some time. I'm gonna leave a link to the full tutorial for this technique on the top of this video. Before adding the color stripes, I put my cake again like for 20-30 minutes in the refrigerator just for the buttercream to harden, and now I'm filling up those stripe holes. Part of the top and the bottom of the cake, I'm covering it with the base color of buttercream, the white one, and it's because I want the stripes to be in the middle of the cake. With the scraper, I start removing the excess buttercream, and the straight lines start to appear. You need to clean the scraper every time that you do a pass. You need to clean it completely because if not, you're gonna smear the color buttercream. So to complement the flavors of a cinnamon pecan cake, I am using a bourbon caramel. I am not gonna give you the recipe for this one since I was not very happy with the result of it. The taste was fantastic. I just think the viscosity needed to be a little bit thicker. So all I do is go around, and as you can see, I just place the caramel on the edge, very careful with the spoon, and then I'm just gonna place some more on the top. What I'm looking for here is just a good drip. So what happened with this one, the caramel was very not runny, but well, yeah, kind of like runny. That you can see that by the end, when I finished decorating the cake, the caramel was pretty much on the board, all of it. For the swirls on the top, I mixed all the colors that I had left, and I added some cocoa powder because the color was kind of like reddish, so the cocoa took care of that red undertone. The piping tip I use is Walton 1M. And for the decoration of the sides, I use some nonpareils as well as some edible gold leaf. When you're applying the gold leaf, you need to be very careful because these leaves are very thin and they can just fly and fold around. So what I use is just a brush, and I just cut little pieces and apply it against the cake. since the cake has the moisture, the gold leaf, it attaches very easily to the cake. I turn the cake around and see where am I missing any decorations. So this is how my cake turned out, and I'm gonna cut it so you can see the inside of the cinnamon pecan cake. Personally, the cake turned out beautiful, and also the flavor was amazing because it was not overpowering the cinnamon or the pecan. It was just perfect with the buttercream. Once again, you can find the recipe on the description box below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you, and I will see you next time. You all take care. Bye.